Hello guys, how are you? It's HK here with another tutorial how to hack a simple game using cheat engine. Watch my steps and follow me. First of all, you have to open the cheat engine. Go ahead and open it. Then minimize it and run the game that you want to hack. In here I'm going to hack Super Mario 2050. It will take some time to load the game. In here I am changing the coin amount of this game. Let's see how to do it. First of all, go ahead and start the game. In here you can see there are 57 coins. Let's see how to change it. Open the cheat engine again and click on this icon to search application. Then select the game that you want to hack, and here change this 4 bytes to double, and then here type the value that you want to hack in the game. Here I'm going to change this 57. Then click on first scan. Then minimize the cheat engine. Go to your game and change the amount again. I mean decrease it or increase it. Let's see. Now I have increased this coin amount to 58. Then go to cheat engine again and here type the new value of the value that you want to change. In here 58. Then click on next scan. Still there are few Legos. Let's go to the game and change this value again. Now it's 59. Let's see. In here the one of address are marked red. Really it's the value that you want to get. Here type 59 and click on next scan. Only one record left. See, double click on it and double click the value that you want to change and change it. I'm going to change it to 99. See, it's simple. Let's change it again. It's working. So that's all for today. Thank you for your watching and subscribe my channel. I'm leaving now.